The honey badger emerges cautiously. Its nose probes the air, sampling every scent. Only when the surroundings feel safe does it step outside. It circles the burrow, inspecting familiar ground. Each movement is deliberate. Here, vigilance is essential. The search for food begins. The honey badger moves in a zigzag pattern, following scent trails. Its nose stays low, testing the wind when needed. A large termite mound stands in open ground. The badger circles it carefully, inspecting every crack. Effort is weighed against reward. The softer surface gives way. Termites spill out in confusion. The honey badger feeds quickly before they retreat. As midday heat intensifies, activity slows. In the shade, the badger pauses. Breathing gradually steadies. Rest is brief. Along the edge of dense vegetation, the patrol resumes. Opportunity and danger lie close together. A new scent rises from the earth. Dark soil and flattened grass reveal recent movement. A rodent may still be nearby. Digging begins without hesitation. Soil piles up as the tunnel deepens. The badger listens, then adjusts its course. The prey is pulled from its shelter, a quick adjustment of the grip, then the badger retreats into cover. Hidden among grasses, it feeds efficiently. Every few moments, it pauses to look around. Awareness is survival. Thirst draws the badger to water. Steady laps ripple the surface. Even now, it remains alert. Suddenly, the badger freezes. A sound drifts on the breeze. Every sense sharpens at once. In the distance, a larger predator appears. Heat shimmer blurs the space between them. Neither rushes to attack. The honey badger stands its ground, fur bristles, jaws open in warning. The message is unmistakable. Then it withdraws. The badger vanishes into dense vegetation. Knowing when to retreat matters. A male begins to seek a mate. He tests the wind, then follows a faint trail. The breeding season has arrived. Mating is brief and discreet. Tall grass conceals most movement. Nature needs no audience. The burrow entrance falls silent. The mother appears only briefly, scanning the surroundings, then slips back inside. Moments later, a cub emerges for the first time. Its steps uncertain, the world unfamiliar. Gently, the mother guides it back into the safety of shade. Soon, they venture out together. The young one imitates every movement, every pause, every scent. No words are spoken. With light digging, the mother exposes insects beneath the soil. The cub lunges, awkward, hesitant, but successful. A small moment marking the beginning of a lifetime shaped by survival.